Hi guys! Halloween is coming soon, so today we are drawing cute little pumpkin. All we need is paper, some marker, and colored pencils. Let's start with the base of the pumpkin. And go on with the curved line, and we're gonna leave a little gap on the top. Okay, so next we're gonna draw a curved line like this, like Tendril, and we're gonna close the top like so. It's kind of look like tomato now. Next we are drawing the stem. It's just two lines coming closer to each other, and to finish with the oval. Okay, you can add some lines here. We can add some ridges behind. And now we can start with the face. To make it cuter, it's better to draw eyes on the lower half of the pumpkin. Like so. One eye here, another one here, smaller circles inside, and tiny ones here. You can fill up the eyes with black colors. I like how cute it is already. You can thicken some lines to show some eyelashes. Like this. Okay. Now we can draw a mouth. My pumpkin will smile. Yay! Happy pumpkin. Add some small teeth and little tongue. You can add some ribs here because pumpkins have many ribs. Like so. Okay, now will be a little bit tricky part, but I can show you how to make it easy. To draw a tendril, we will start here and we will draw number 9, like so. And next, lower we start one more line, which will go near the first line. Okay, and we go on both lines with the shape of the S. And close here. Okay? Looks cute. And now what's left is the leaf. We start with one line, and the leaf is kind of the shape of the star. Like this. Yay! Our pumpkin is ready. Now we can color it. I will speed up the process for you, but you can pause the video at the end to match colors if you like. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. And of course you don't have to stop here, you can add any details that you wish, for example, little pet sticker, or maybe some cute arms and legs, it's up to you. Just stay creative, have fun, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!